how to become fearless. In this material world, why do we get afraid? Have you examined it? Why do we get afraid? A small child, if you open a dark room to him, he will immediately stand back. He will go and hide inside his mother's sari. Very afraid. Why? There is fear. The birds are afraid. The businessman is afraid. Fear springs inside for everybody in material existence. Fearful. Look at a bird's face. Quick. It's keeping looking like this. You know, next to its nest, it will be looking here, like that. It's completely afraid. Why? Due to many reasons. Because of ignorance is the first reason. Ignorance of yourself, ignorance of the Lord, ignorance of the material world. That brings fear. And when you forgotten about yourself, that is an ignorance, and you think I am this body, I am not spirit soul, you will get more afraid. Bhayam dvitiya. Thinking I am this body. See in front of the mirror, this is how I am looking. I am this body. I am this mind. If you think like that, you will always be afraid. This is the way the material world is designed. Designed to keep you afraid, locked up, imprisoned. Because of forgetfulness. Forgetfulness of the Lord creates fear. This is the formula for Maya. That is why when we remember the Lord and we are always in connection with the Lord, there is no fear. Because shelter is offered. This is a foundational principle of the material world. No God, full of fear. When you have God in the center of your life, you are fearless. You can actually see that. The devotees become increasingly free from unnecessary fear. When they look at their body slowly dwindling in the mirror, they become more and more afraid. Death is coming. Become more afraid. Go run to the boutique. Makeup. Go to the doctor. Go to the psychiatrist. What all people do out of fear. But whatever you may do, the body will age in front of your eyes. And then everything will go rotten. It will fall down. Most fearful is old age, death. Your fear keeps on increasing as you become older. Because your body really disappoints you. You put all your faith in the body. I am this. See the design? It is designed for destruction. But you are thinking that it will be forever. I am forever. My body will live with me forever. No. It's very horrible to watch people thinking like that and dying. It troubles them so much. And when they die, they're calling for their relatives, everybody. And only Yamadutas come. Coming. They all will not come. I am only coming for you. They look even more fearful. Yamadutas look deadly. They come with their huge dogs and with their ropes. How much more fearful you'll get if you don't know anything about Krishna. If you don't know anything about the fact that you're a spirit soul. I can't imagine. Very fearful you'll become. Death is, so fearful as thing. So if you don't remember Krishna, if you don't know who you are, better face horrible fears. That's why people get drunk. They think by getting drunk they can forget everything. The next life will be more tamasic. They can forget human life also. How to forget this fear is why people get into all these other habits. They drink, they smoke, they socialize, they do that, they do this. Everybody is running away from their own fears. Entertainment, that, this, everything to forget. Because thinking about themselves, they become afraid. Ashushu, what will happen to me? What will happen to me? Who will protect me? My son, my wife, my children, my relatives, they're all after me. For what? My money. But who really is interested in me? You get fear. Even the richest man has the greatest fear. When you possess material asset, you will die of fear. You know the flying in the sky hawk? He speaks about a hawk. A hawk swoops down and gets a piece of meat in its beak. As soon as it gets the piece of meat in its beak, so many other hawks attack that hawk in the mid-air. and it is diving, swerving, and all these hawks go and attack that hawk. Then that hawk chasing right because it's got something to eat. And then it realizes all of a sudden, why are they attacking me? It's because of this meat in my beak. I was peacefully sitting on the tree, nobody was attacking me. I got this piece of meat on my beak, they're all attacking me. So quickly drop that. They all left him. The hawk, all the other hawks left this hawk. And he became peaceful and he said, see, this is what is the problem. And this wise man saw that, see, if you have any material possessions, everybody will attack you and you'll be in great fear. Live. Don't keep any material possession with you. Nobody will attack you. You'll be fearless. You don't have to be afraid of anybody because you don't have anything. People don't come near you. If you have any material asset, you have money, you have property, you have talent, you have beauty, you have anything with you, people will attack you, either subtly or grossly. And that creates fear. So these are all the reasons people get afraid in this material world about, because it's the wrong concept of life. Forgetfulness of yourself, forgetfulness of God, forgetfulness of relationship with the material world. But when you are taught by Sadguru, who are you? Nothing to be worried about. Even Arjuna was afraid in the battlefield. What will happen to all of them? What will happen to their children? Their wives will become widows. I don't want to do that. And Krishna tells him that is ignorance. And he teaches him, who are you? I am spirit soul. I am eternal. I will not die. This 3 simple points, if you can understand, you will become fearless. I am spirit soul, not this body. I am eternal. I will not die. Simple things, if you understand, you will become fearless.